Welcome back, friends. And in your Android mobile, suppose you have forgotten your pattern lock. That is very annoying. If anybody is forgetting their pattern lock on their Android mobile, I am going to cover in this video how will they unlock forgotten pattern lock. I am going to tell you 7 fixes which anybody should try before going to repair shop or seeking professional help. So what is happening, suppose after entering the pattern lock, after some time it will increase the time, means see what is happening. Try again in 29 seconds. If you are trying more, then it will say 1 minute, 1.5. This is very irritating, annoying. So in this video I am going to tell you 6-7 fixes you should try before seeking professional help. It's not wasting much of your time. If you are getting benefit from this video, if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel after watching this. So very first thing what anybody should try is just try another options. Means when they are not able to recollect their unlock pattern, just try fingerprint or face recognition. Means if they have enabled it, just like show the face and it will be unlocked. So I have shown my face and it has been unlocked. So this is how they should try. This is the very first method, and if it is working, that is okay. If it is not working, then the second is slightly weird. It sounds weird, but try to just enter all the possible causes, possible patterns based on your muscle memory. I think that might work sometime. Or just ask your friend in front of it may be possible that you have changed your pattern lock in front of them, so it might work. So, and try to write down all the patterns lock or passwords at a very safe place. So if it is working, that is good. Now the third thing is smart lock. In Samsung there is smart lock. If it is enabled, then I'm going to tell you how to enable. Just go to the setting, find, search for smart lock, SMART, smart lock, and then go to the smart lock. It will ask for pattern. When you are knowing your pattern, at that time how to enable it, it is already enabled. And when you are you have forgotten your unlock pattern and you are going to the trusted place, means you have added that into trusted place, added that place that is your home or your office. Go to that trusted place and your device will be unlocked. Or trusted devices, some Bluetooth devices, your smart watch or anything else, you can unlock from there. So this was the third thing. Fourth thing is, in Samsung mobile there is Find My Mobile thing. You should enable that. Means I will show you. Just go to the setting and here just Find My Mobile, and then it should be on. Then what will happen? If you have turned it on, Find Mobile, in case you have forgotten in just and you are remembering your Samsung account and password, go to the nearby laptop or PC and then enter on Samsung web page, log in with their Samsung account, and from there when you are entering into your account, there is one option, unlock your mobile, and then from there you can unlock your pattern. So this is the fourth one. Third, the fifth is, in every Android mobile everybody is using Google services. So if you have enabled that Google Find My Device, where I will show you, Find My Device, this, if it is on, then as soon as you will enter on this mobile is locked because you are not knowing the pattern lock. So you will have to go to the nearby PC, and in the PC, in that browser, just search find my device like that. Find my device and just tap on here. You will end up here, and after that erase device. Just tap on here, but be careful. Before doing this, you should have backup of all your mobile data, otherwise you will lose important information. If you have backup of all data and you know how to restore it, then only do it. So this was the fifth and sixth. In some mobiles, latest mobiles, Android 4.4 version and above, forgot pattern is coming just beside this. Means here forgot pattern option is also coming. If that is coming, tap on forgot pattern, and then it will ask for some your Google latest email ID by which you are entering into your mobile. Just enter it and you will be unlocked. So this was the sixth. If you are not having Android 4.4 and above version, just leave that. And the last, if you are not your mobile is not unlocked by all the 6 methods, the last method is just hard reset. Go into the recovery mode and factory reset your mobile. Means your mobile will be unlocked, so you will not able to approach the settings. And so just in Samsung mobile, power it off by pressing power button for some time, and then power off. Okay, power off. It is again asked, so you will not able to power up. Then what will you do? Just power off button and volume minus, keep it pressed for some time. See what will happen. Keep it pressed. Now it will reboot. As soon as it is rebooting, just power off and plus button. Power off and volume upper button, volume plus button. Keep it pressed for some time. See what will happen. It will take some time and it will go into the recovery mode. So it will go into the recovery mode. Once again I will tell you, just keep it pressed power button and minus button for some time, and as soon as the screen goes black, just press power button and volume plus button simultaneously for 10 seconds, and then it will go into the recovery mode. With the help of this volume plus minus key, you can navigate. From here you can go to the option where this wipe data or factory reset. From power off button you can factory reset, but very carefully, do it very carefully, because all the data will go. If you have backup of all data and you know how to restore it, then only you do it, otherwise don't do it. So, and after doing this, just reboot. It will come back to this and then reboot system. Now press it and now it will reboot without that pattern lock. So all these are 7 methods, 7-8 methods by which you can unlock your locked mobile. If you like the video, after that, if it is not unlocking, after 7 methods also, trying all the tricks, go to the mobile repair shop or seek professional help. This is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.